Desert. Fix NVIDIA driver crashes in Crimson Desert PC. If you're getting black screen, display driver stopped responding, game freezing or closing. Follow these fixes step by step. Number 1. Clean install NVIDIA drivers, most important fix. Driver corruption is the one cause. Steps: 1. Download DDU display driver uninstaller. 2. Boot into safe mode. 3. Remove NVIDIA drivers completely. 4. Install latest driver or try a slightly older stable version. Avoid express install. Use clean install. Top 2. Increased TDR delay prevents driver timeout. Windows may reset your GPU too quickly. Steps: press Win-R regedit. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Create. DWORD 32-bit TDR delay equals 10. DWORD 32-bit TDR die delay equals 20. Restart PC after this. Number 3. Disable NVIDIA overlays. Open Force Experience, turn off. In-game overlay, Shadowplay overlays often crash games. Number 4. Lower GPU load stability fix. Turn off ray tracing, DLSS frame generation if unstable. Set graphics to medium-high. Cap FPS 60 or 20 reduces sudden GPU spikes. Number 5. Clear shader cache, corrupted shaders equals driver crash. Steps: go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete DX cache, GL cache, restart PC. Number 6. Check GPU temperature and power. Use MSI Afterburner. Keep temps under 85 degrees C. Reduce power limit to 90 to 95%. Overheating equals driver crash. 7. Set NVIDIA control panel settings. Open NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings. Set power management, prefer maximum performance. Low latency mode off. Shader cache on. 8. Check power supply stability. Make sure GPU cables are properly connected. Avoid loose or split connectors. Power drops can crash drivers. Number 9. Disable overclock. Very important. Reset GPU overclock to default. Also disable CPU overclocks XMP temporarily. Even stable overclocks can crash new games. 10. Update Windows DirectX. Install all Windows updates. Install latest DirectX Visual C++. Number 11. Try older NVIDIA driver hidden fix. Sometimes newest drivers are unstable. Try 1-2 versions older drivers, known stable, game-ready versions. Dash a final tip. If your crash happens during gameplay, GPU overheating/load issue, on launch, driver or DirectX issue, randomly TDR or power instability. Best combo fix works for most people. 1. Clean install NVIDIA driver, DDU. 2. Increase TDR delay. 3. Disable overlays. 4. Lower graphics settings. If you want, I can turn this into